guys, it's Sheri and welcome back to day 10 of VLOGMAS. These glasses are from Warby Parker, which I tried on in yesterday's haul, yesterday's video. I don't know what I'm saying, but I decided to wear them today just so I could kind of test it out and see what it looks like. I really like these. I think tomorrow I'm gonna test out a different pair though. I am wearing contacts because obviously these don't have a prescription in them. Yesterday I made cookies and I made white chocolate chocolate chip cookies that I will be posting on my blog, I think probably next week sometime, so you can look for that recipe. I also made Linzer cookies, which I'm not posting on my blog because I've never made those before, so I was just kind of testing it out. And then right now, I thought I would just make some Rugelach. I'm probably not gonna post this on my blog either, just because I'm going to follow a recipe pretty much exactly from New York Times Cooking, which is one of my favorite places to get recipes. So what I thought I would do is I would post the link to it in the description box, but I would just make the cookies with you in today's Vlogmas because it's Sunday. We're just at home. My dad just got home from Florida, and now we're just kind of here at the house in New Jersey and watching football. So the only thing about this recipe is that it does need 2 hours to chill in the fridge or overnight. So that's just something to keep in mind. Once you make the dough, which is really simple, you're just gonna form them into sort of 2 even ball or discs. And if they're not even, it's really okay. That doesn't really matter. Now these have to chill for 2 hours, which is so long, but we're gonna put these in the fridge and come back in 2 hours. Alternatively, I was just thinking, you could probably put those discs in the freezer and speed that up a bit, but I want to do that today. Sometimes I do that. Last night I did that with the Linzer cookie dough because you can just keep re-rolling it, but I don't feel like it today. have any tips for when you make arugula is don't cut them like I did, because then they end up super uneven. Or you can cut them the way I did, but just be more careful about it because some are regular sized arugula. And then other ones are just little itty bitty babies. Like this one, like look how tiny this one is. Whoops.